Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade apple jam. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need approximately 2 pounds of crisp apples like Granny Smith or Fuji for the best flavor. Also, measure out 3 cups of granulated sugar, which is crucial for both taste and preservation. Don't forget 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice to add a bright, tangy note. Finally, have 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon or nutmeg ready if you enjoy a hint of spice. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the apples. First, thoroughly wash and peel all 2 pounds of your apples. Next, carefully core each apple to remove the seeds and stem, ensuring no tough bits remain. Then, chop the peeled and cored apples into small, uniform pieces. Aim for pieces about 1/2 inch in size. This consistency helps them cook down evenly and creates a lovely texture in your finished jam. With your apples prepared, it's time to cook the jam. Combine the chopped apples, 3 cups of sugar, and 1/4 cup of lemon juice in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium-high heat, stirring frequently to prevent sticking. Once boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring often. The jam is ready when it reaches 220 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer or passes the cold plate test. Finally, let's jar and store your delicious homemade apple jam. First, sterilize your canning jars and lids to ensure proper preservation. Carefully ladle the hot jam into the prepared jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the jar rims clean to ensure a good seal, then securely fasten the lids. For long-term storage, process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. This ensures shelf stability, allowing you to enjoy your jam for many months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.